How to reverse money on Capitec app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing whether it is possible to reverse money on Capitec app or not. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch the application and log into your account. And once you log in, you will see a transact or transactions to view your recent transactions over there. Apply a filter, for example, debit transactions, to find the payment that you want to reverse. And when you select the transaction, look for the reverse or refund option and confirm the reversal when prompted. Be sure that it's a correct transaction and monitor your account, because refund usually processed within a few business days, and if the refund does not appear, you can get touch in with the Capitec customer support. But if there is no reverse option available, because not all transactions are reversible, so eligibility depends on transaction type and timing. And if you don't see the option or the refund is delayed, you can contact the Capitec support, which is you can call at 0860102043, which is available 24/7, or you can email at clientcare@capitecbank.co.za. So double check the recipient details before confirming any payment to avoid mistakes, and keep a record of your reversal request, like screenshot or reference number, to follow up. And follow up if the money isn't refunded within 2 to 3 days. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.